Thank you, Commissioners. I recall, and I speak under correction, you did not have the Section 27 affidavit when you appeared before ad hoc. And I think members of Parliament engaged you on the Section 27 affidavit. And if memory serves me well, you parted company on the basis that you'll be providing the ad hoc committee with a copy after you had concluded your testimony. Do I remember well?
I must just go back into the record. I do recall saying I will apply my mind on whether or not we can give them the Section 27. I must just go back. If I said we were going to give it to them, or did I say that we...
They asked you if it's a public document, and you said it's not a public document. And then they asked, can we have it? You said, I don't have it. I will revert.
Okay. Thank you, Commissioner Banda. But I know that we did not make it available. From what I recall, I know that we didn't make it available, Commissioner.
Why not?
Because it formed,
sorry, it was central to the ad hoc inquiry. And why didn't you avail it?
Because it formed part of our criminal investigations.
But you availed it to this commission. It still forms part of the very investigations. On what basis do you draw a distinction?
I understand. I see the work of this commission and its terms of reference somewhat different from the ad hoc committee. And here the rules are somewhat different, and not disclosing is not an option, but you are able to disclose, and perhaps, as we have been allowed in some instances, commissioners, to indicate that the disclosure is also made on the basis of confidentiality for certain reasons. This commission allows us that, and it is on the basis of it having been part of a criminal investigation and not wanting to give it to them.
Okay, we will look through the transcript to remind ourselves where you landed. I hadn't marked it because my understanding was that you had undertaken to provide a copy to ad hoc, but you say you had only undertaken to apply your mind to whether or not you can make same available. I'll have to check on that. I don't have a direct reference at the moment. So, once again, I invite us to accept as correct the